Kaya may pitak sa puso niya yung song. So yun po bali yung ka-red, parang inano po namin dito, di ba lahat naman tayo may ka-red string naman talaga. Yun ang sinasabi sa Japanese folklore. Pero buhol-buhol yan. Definitely may buhol yan along the way. May tangle yan. Hindi yan pwedeng wala. Kaya nyo bang i-survive yung tangle na yun? Kasi hindi nag-iiba ang ka-red string mo. Siya pa din at sinusubok yun each time. Pero nakakatawa naman doon, lagi kayong pinagtatagpo. Lagi kayong pagkikitain. Kaya di ba minsan bakit sa lahat ng place nandito pa siya? Parang ganun po.
Ang ganda, very well explained. Talagang nakatakdalik dumaan.
Oo! Husay sa Rondel!
So, nalaman na natin what the show is all about. Diba?
Thank you, Sir Rondel. Ayan. Acknowledge ko lang po, Head of Dreamscape, Sir Deo. Hi! And our BUH, Miss Kylie Manalo Balagtas, andyan po. Ayan, Miss Kylie, hello po. Ito Mario. Okay na po? Okay, eto na po sa part natin na we prepared questions and bubunot po ang press. Ayan, ito na po. So wala kayong kawala. Ayan. Aaron, pabunutin mo tayo. May mga questions dyan na about tadhana questions.
Okay, unahin natin si Roldan Castro.
Ayan dyan si Roldan?
Yes.
Oo. Sige, in the back si Roldan. Lahat kaya yun na? Sige, 3 bunot na question daw tapos tanongin natin si Janela and Elmo.
About love.
Wow, sige nga. Expert ka dyan, di ba, Roldan?
Hindi rin.
Charing lang.
What is the one lesson about love na laging ipinapaalala sa iyo ng mom or dad mo?
The question is for both of them.
Yeah.
What is this one question na laging pinaalala sa ng mom mo?
Well, kung meron about love, it's that sinasabi sa akin ng parents ko is you should see love in everything you do. Because love, life is worthless if you don't see love in it. So if you live life without love, it's meaningless. So, importante, yan, parang, if you love food, if you love people, if you love flowers, if you love, basta the point is, may sa mga nakikita mong bagay everyday, you should see it with love because dun mo makikita yung point ng life. That's what they tell me.
Okay, Janela.
Ako, siguro, ito, my mom is very practical kasi, so she always tells me, you have to be smart when it comes to love. You also have to have the gift of discernment kasi the world is different now. So you have to be able to tell kung love na ba talaga or hindi. So you have to be smart lang.
So tingin mo you have the gift of discernment na at 18?
I guess. The joke. Well, since I love reading psychology and my mom also does, so I guess, I hope I do.
Okay. Thank you, Elmo. Janela. The next
Yes,
bunot question will come from
Rose Garcia.
ayan, si Miss Rose Danes. She's spread. Go, Rose.
For the both of you, love. If you had to choose only one, the one you love or the one who loves you, and why?
Elmo, the one you love or the one who loves you?
Wait lang, may gusto idagdag si Aaron sa choices. Yung huli round, the one you love or the one who loves you or the one who got away.
Well, para sa akin, I choose I choose the one I love. Kasi siya yung naka-register sa akin.
Parang mas-short pero tanggap ko na yung ganun ka-short na sagot ni Elmo, no? Kasi ang sincere. Okay, Janela. The one you love or the one who loves you?
If I were to choose, I will never settle. It has to be both talaga. You have to love, if you love someone, you have to choose someone who loves you too. So yun yung paniniwala ko talaga, don't settle.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Total, hindi naman si Rose ang gumawa ng tanong, so okay lang yun. Hindi ang sagot mo. Okay, Tito Rose, okay na? And the last, Aaron.
Yes, partner, we have a question from Ambet Nabus.
Andiyan si Ambet?
Yep.
Where? Ayun, ay.
Talaga, kala ko naman kung ano to.
Kala mo rapon.
Music, ayan. Sinong musical artist ang iniidolo mo at bakit? Parang pangit naman yung tanong. Pwede mo baguhin?
Okay.
Iba na lang.
Sige, bunot ka
Oo,
ulit.
bunot na ko ulit ha,
Go.
baby.
Okay.
Inano namin. Naghahanap kami ng pang-title. Yan. Music. Isa na lang po. Ito na. Faith. Yan. Faith. Sa mga nangyari sa buhay